Hello children, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss true false and other remaining exercise of unit number 9, the great stone face 1. First we will discuss true false. Write true or false against each of the following statements. Number 1. The great stone face stood near where Ernest and his mother lived. This statement is false. So here we will write false. Second number, one would clearly distinguish the features of stone face only from a distance. अगर किसी को स्टोन फेस के फीचर्स क्लियरली दिखने हो तो अगर वो डिस्टेंस से देखेगा तो वो क्लियरली डिस्टिंग्विश होगा. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. Number 3. Ernest loved his mother and helped her in her work. Yes, this statement is also true. Number 4. Though not very rich, Gathergold was a skillful merchant. This statement is false. 5. Gathergold died in poverty and neglect. So yes, this statement is true because before Gathergold died, all his wealth disappeared. So here we will write true. Number 6. The great stone face seemed to suggest that Ernest should not fear the general. So this statement is also true because the great stone face had told the Ernest not to fear, he will come. So by this statement we can say that this sentence is also right. Now let's discuss remaining exercise. Now children, this exercise we have already discussed yesterday. Now let's discuss number 2. Add ly to each of the following adjectives, then use them to fill in the blanks. Here you can see in yellow box some words are given. What we have to do? We have to ly to each of these adjectives and then also use these words to fill these blanks. Number 1. Why didn't you turn up at the meeting? We all were blank waiting for you. So from this box, we will select eager for number 1 and then we will add ely. First we will write eager, then add ly. Why didn't you turn up at the meeting? We all were eagerly waiting for you. Number 2. Blank, write your name and address in capital letters. So here we will write kind. Then we will add ly. Kindly write your name and address in capital letters. Number 3. I was blank surprised to see him at the railway station. I thought he was not coming. So here we will write number 3. Pleasantly. I was pleasantly surprised to see him at the railway station. I thought he was not coming. Number 4. It is blank believable that I am not responsible for this mess. So here we will write perfect. It is perfectly believable that I am not responsible for this mess. Number 5. He fell over the step and blank broke his arm. In this blank, we will choose near. He fell over the step and nearly broke his arm. Next question. Question number 3. Complete each sentence below using the appropriate forms of the verbs in bracket. Number 1. I blank you when I blank home from school. So in the first blank, we will write I shall phone. I shall phone. First we will write shall and then we will write the word given into the bracket. Shall phone, and in next blank we will write get. I shall phone you when I get home from school. Number 2. Hurry up. Madam blank annoyed if we blank late. Here we will write hurry up, madam will be. Which word given into the bracket? Be. So here we will write will, then we will write be. Madam will be annoyed if, again here into the bracket be is given. So here we will write to be form of present tense. Annoyed if we are late. Number 3. If it blank, today we blank go to the play. In this blank we will add only s. If it rains, today we shall not go to the play. So here we will write shall not. Number 4. When you blank Mandal again, you blank him. He is growing a beard. So here in the first blank we will write see. When you see Mandal again, you will not recognize. Into the bracket not recognize is given, but here we will write will not and then we will write recognize. Number 5. We are off today. We shall write. In this blank we will write shall write, and in next blank we will write only are, because into the bracket be is given, so we have to write to be form of present tense. So here we will write are. We are off today. We shall write to you after we are back. So children, here we have completed all the exercise of this lesson. Now we are ending our session here. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.